Okay, so first letter of the alphabet, A. Last letter of the alphabet, Z. Middle letter of the alphabet, M. Press pause now to create the rainbow alphabet arc. So I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So press pause now, check the direction of your letters and check that they're in the right position. So what sound are we doing today? Well, I have the colour blue and I have some glue. Blue, glue, blue, glue. So it's the oo sound. Let's have a look at the position of where it is and let's think about the sound. That oo sound, I take two letters, two phonemes, and it creates an oo. So let's have a look. Blue, glue, blue, because it's at the end of my word for each of these. And you're going to create a card. This is my oo sound. So I put my letters and sounds on one side, and I've done the colour blue. Oo, blue. Oo, blue. Make sure you practice this card, create it and practice it through the week. So let's look at some words with these sounds in it. Clue, value, blue, Sue, glue, due, true, hue. Let's go up a level. Avenue, rescue, revenue, continue, subdue. You can see with all of these, the oo sound is at the end. Now, this is a word you'll be very familiar with, Tuesday. You can see the oo sound is in the middle. Tuesday. Press pause now to practice reading those words. Okay, let's practice our sound. Let's practice writing it. So, here we go. Start at the top, I go down, up, down and flick. Then going to practice my I start halfway. I go across, up and down. Ooh, ooh. Let's practice writing that sound. So up the top, I'm going to go down, up, down and flick, across, round and down. Ooh, ooh. Now I'm going to practice, I'm going to practice glue. So I'm going to have a go with my letters first. So I'm going to have a look at it. Glue, glue, okay. Hide it away. Glue, gl, gl, oo, glue. Have a check. Correct. Mix those letters up. Let's have another go. Glue, glue. Have a check. Correct. Have a go at that activity yourself. It's a really good way to help you remember spellings. Now let's write that word. Glue, 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 glue. Let's read some sentences now. A ripe lemon has a bright yellow hue. Chuck laid his pool cue on top of the pool table. Sue will continue to enjoy reading for many years to come. An ounce of gold has much more value than an ounce of silver. The men in the fire engine were able to rescue the family from the fire. So we've just done our reading. So let's have a practice. I'm going to practice a ripe lemon has a bright yellow hue. Read it again correctly. A ripe lemon has a bright yellow hue. A ripe lemon has a bright yellow hue. A ripe lemon has a bright yellow hue. A bright lemon has a bright yellow hue. A bright lemon. It's not a bright lemon, is it? Oh, a ripe lemon. Let's read back what you've written, see if it makes sense. You're good. A ripe lemon has a bright yellow hue. Now press pause and practice those sentences yourself.